wiggly, windy road of the Murchison Highway. We are heading towards Wynyard. I'm just going to record the wiggly, windy bits. Graham's in second gear. I'm quite happy about it. He said it's holding well.
It's in third gear now.
And he's in third gear now.
It'll start to pick up down here. Probably for the gorge.
So this is as far as we came yesterday from Waratah to Harrier Gorge. Now we're going to be crossing over the bridge and seeing what's on the other side. I think it's a little bit more wiggly and windy for a while and then it straightens out. Got reflections of my hands. Okay, so that is the Harrier Gorge. We could have stayed there for tonight, but we've decided to push on instead. So we're going over this bridge, which is Harrier River below us, which is very lovely. I feel like we're climbing up now. Look how lush it is. Those man ferns growing out on the sides. this would be the last little bit of wiggliness on this road. And then it's pretty easy going from here. So if you're towing, this is what you can expect. We are up quite high, and I'm so glad there's so many trees blocking that knowledge off. Alright, I'm probably gonna stop filming this now until we get closer to Wynyard. A little bit of low cloud and fog now. We drove through a foggy road when we were coming down from Cradle Mountain actually. I do like the eeriness of it all. Brian was just talking about his experience as a train driver up in the Pilbara. Wow, that's so cool. At this point in time, we're just pretty much rolling down, aren't we? It's a very nice stretch of road. And what does that say? Oh, you can get to Highclere and Ridgely turning right up here. It's really just blanketed in fog. All fogged out.
And logged out.
Yeah, and lots of logging. Just like that, we get to a clear section.
Yep.
Well, there's a lake over there, not that you can really see much of it. It was still sort of foggy, intermittent fog. Henrietta. What did she eat? Henrietta sausage. love how green it is out here. So we're definitely getting into civilization here. Tarcone and West Tarcone. Over to the left. And East Yolla.
This is where the pump was.
This is Yolla.